Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making chewy and soft caramel toffees. This is a very simple recipe you are going to love. Stay tuned and let's jump right into making it. The ingredients and tools we are using for today's chewy caramel toffee. So we have 1 cup of white granulated sugar. We also have 3 tablespoons of butter. We also have 1 cup of our homemade condensed milk. The recipe is linked below, you can check out. We'll be using a spare bowl, a 6-inch square baking tin with parchment paper laid in it. We'll also be using our nonstick pan. We'll use measuring cups and spoons. We also use a whisk, cut out of our parchment paper in rectangular shapes, which we'll use in wrapping our toffee. We have a silicone spatula, another one here. We have a chopping board and a knife and plates for serving. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Into our saucepan, I'll add in the sugar. It is a bit wet because that's the last batch of sugar I have on hand. I usually buy it in big sacks, so that's the last batch, but it won't really affect the recipe that much. So we'll place in the spatula and then we'll cook it on our stove top till it caramelizes. In the meantime, we'll pour our condensed milk into our bowl here so that we can work with it very easily. The recipe to this condensed milk recipe is linked below in the description box, you can check out. This is a must-try condensed milk recipe. Let's look at how it is. And this mimics the store-bought ones, so you can give it a try. The recipe is linked below. So this is how it looks like. It has started to form an amber color. We want it slightly darker than this, so we'll stir for like 2 minutes and then we'll start adding in our butter bit by bit. Now we are going to add in our condensed milk. Mix slightly. Sure that the ends are pushed back into the saucepan. We take out the spatula and then we continue with our whisk. This is going to ensure that nothing gets bent. I will mix for about 3 to 5 minutes, then we'll take it off the source of heat. Mind you, this is being done on a very low heat. We are just doing this so that it thickens up and then it can form our toffee very easily. We will add in the salt. This is totally optional. You can skip it. After 3 to 5 minutes of mixing, our caramel toffee is ready. So we are going to pour it into our pre-prepared baking tin, and then we let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour to firm up, and then we continue from there. So we'll take it off the source of heat. Now I'm going to bang it on the countertop to release any air bubbles, and then leave it to sit. So we are going to unmold our caramel toffee. So remove the parchment paper, and then we'll place it down. So we are going to use the knife to mark lines which we are going to cut along. We are cutting them into cubes. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll have 25 pieces in all. We'll cut them with a knife. You see how soft it is? It's literally bending. Now we are going to wrap it with our parchment paper cutouts, and we'll serve some on our plates here. So I'll pick one, and then we'll use the knife to lift. So we lift it, and then we place it into our parchment paper cutouts. And then we'll twist the ends. To kind of mimic toffee. And then we'll place it here. We'll do same for the next one. So we'll fold it, and then we'll do same on the other side. Now we'll twist one end, and then we'll do same for this as well. So we'll do this for all the others so we completely finish everything here. We'll place it down. So this is how it looks like. I just bit into it after unwrapping it. It's soft, chewy, and very delicious. Try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comments. When you make your caramel toffee and you're not ready to use it in the moment or have something to do, you can wrap it in cling film like this and then store in your fridge. And when you're ready to portion it out, you just cut with the knife to release it, and then you unwrap. To store the caramel toffee, we are going to start placing them into Ziploc bag, and then we can store it in the fridge. So we'll lock the ends, and this can stay in your fridge for up to a month. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.